Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so very urgent and very quick, please. So due to several complaints on the results, people that have scored like high too, because a student gave me a breakdown of each year what she scored, and this year finally she now see 154. It's not possible now. When you see someone with that kind of consistent score, it's not possible. There's something wrong, so with several of those reports, Jamb has finally admitted that there was an error, that there were glitches. And for DTW online classes, there are two students that sat, especially in the southeast, a lot of glitches in the southeast, Anambra State, that sat for Anambra State, and their scores were low. So they've finally admitted that there were technical glitches, and students should do what? Go on Friday, which is 16th is on Friday, to check their portal if they have been rescheduled. Okay, so wait, let me quickly show you my screen. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I am on my screen now. Okay, so look at it, look at Jamb, look at what Jamb is saying here. Okay, it says here, it has been established that a technical glitch affected 157 centers out of the 887 centers in the 2025 UTME. This was basically responsible for the general low performance of the candidates scheduled to sit the examination in those centers. As such, all affected candidates will be contacted to reprint their examination slip towards retaking their examination starting from the 16th of May 2025. So you'll be contacted by mail, and for those that have not been receiving mails from Jamb, please just make sure you are checking on Friday. Just go and check. Go to you know how to check your exam slip. Wait, let me quickly show you how to check your exam slip in case, and you should know now. You know how to check your exam slip because you have sat for the exam. So you just go to jamb.gov. It will be on their site. Okay, you go there. Okay, it's opening up. All right, so as it's opening up, let me quickly say now, please. So it means that you have to read, though. If you have forgotten, please start reading now. And the best thing to help you read, because you don't know if your center was affected, if they will call you out. So please, because that 157 centers, we don't know, you don't know. Okay, so please go to DTW. You need key points right now. Look, come here and start studying with your key points. Go to physics. Are you with me? The internet is a bit slow on my end here. Network problem everywhere. Okay, so I'm sure that was what affected, because I think last week MTN was down, Airtel was down. There were not, some sites were not accessible. So many things happened that exam and results week. Okay, so technical glitches, of course. I'm just happy that they accepted their errors, because sometimes they will just say no, that is everybody's result. But there are so many solid proof of people that have done Jamb like how many times, and they won't take it that this is their result. How can someone that scored 297 last year scoring 152, 151 this year? It's not possible now. Are you with me? So so with all those cases, they have actually agreed and admitted, and I'm happy that they did. All right, so for you, come and start using key points to study. Start reading. Come to academics, come to tutorials, read. It's all here for free. If you want to get the PDF, come here. Come and buy it from DTW. Look at DTW Edu Store. You can WhatsApp me if you want to get the PDF. Come here and download the PDF copy for economics. Can you see it? Physics key points, all your key points, summarizing everything for you to read. Okay, you might be asking, oh, how efficient is this? Okay, the link is not here. The link is not here. I'm sure by Friday they are going to put the link here. So you have to continuously check. Okay, that's for those that, you don't receive any messages from Jamb. Please go and be checking by yourself by Friday. Don't worry, by Friday I will check and give you information. Okay, so for everyone, please, you might be sent to take your exam. Continue reading. Leave TikTok, leave Facebook, leave your seasonal film and start reading. Come and get all these key points. Can you see government literature? It's 500 naira. Some people will ask here, I wanted to say, oh, is this key point effective? Is it authentic? Let me show you. Let me show you a testimony from a student that just started for Jamb. Look at this. It says what? That she used it last minute. She bought the chemistry key point, and what did she score? 72. So the key point is very effective because it covers all the syllabus of each of the subjects. Okay, so that is it from Jamb. I'm happy that they admitted their faults. I'm happy. Can you see their statement? Man proposes, God disposes. I'm happy that they admitted this. So the technical glitch. So I'm happy about this, because it's sad to see students that are not supposed to fail. And you know, in some cases, you know, I'm just happy that they did. In some cases, you know, our God bless our country. They will just say, take it like that, is your result, take it like that. But they've admitted this. So, and because there are so many evidence for this. All right. So I'm so happy. So for you, all you need to do is still be on preparation mode. On Friday, go check. Can you see? It says on Friday they're going to start. So on Friday, you go check if you have been rescheduled to sit for the examination. All right, you are blessed and destined to win. All right, any other information, our WhatsApp is there. Join our groups for more updates. Join DTW groups, WhatsApp channel, Telegram group, Facebook for more updates. And please do share this video to help someone. Please share this video to help someone. Okay, and what else? Yeah, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He loves you. Come to him today. You are destined to win.